In today's video, we're gonna take a look at how to create BeReal account. So for the people who don't know what BeReal is a social media platform unlike any other. It only allows you to post one picture a day. You cannot add in filters like on any other social media platform. So to create an account, you must first download the application, which will look like this. Now after the app has been downloaded, you can open it up. Once you open up the app, you can see a couple of features that BeReal has. Now you can read this or tap on skip on the top right. Now the first thing to do is type in their name. After you type in the name, you can tap on continue and then type in your date of birth and then tap on continue. Now your name and your date of birth is not important on BeReal. The most important thing is your phone number. You can use your phone number to log into your account even if you don't remember your username. So make sure you type in your phone number correctly, choose your country code and then type in your phone number. Now once you do that, a code will be sent to the mobile number that you just entered. You just simply type in the code and easy as that, you have been now successfully signed up for BeReal. Now you can add in friends, but firstly you need to take a BeReal straight away. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today and I'll be back with more.